The materials used for this mallet is oak for the handle, quince for the head. I had some oak laying around left over from a Cigar Box guitar that I made, so I used that for the handle. And the quince I had bought a long time ago for a different project, and then I just never made that project, and I figured it looked pretty, and it's really heavy and it's very dense, so I thought it'd make a great mallet. I don't know if the camera's picking this up. The cut is very smooth. Let's do some rasping. The Japanese Shinto Rasp. I have no problem with this hard oak. I highly recommend this Japanese Shinto Rasp. So I'm pretty much finished with the rasp. Now I'm just gonna clean it up with some sandpaper. Long strips of sandpaper work really well for this. I forgot my mask. I'm all ready for my glue up procedure. Got my handle shaped, sanded, fits good in the hand. Made a mistake when I routed this tenon here. It was less than 1 millimeter too small. I had to make it a little thicker. So what I did was I took a shaving with my hand plane of another piece of this wood and I crazy glued that on. Now it'll fit snug when it's all sandwiched together. Just gonna take some CA glue. I'm gonna put a little bit on. That way there, it'll hold it together pretty well while the glue is drying. And the CA glue should hold it together while the other glue is drying. I guess I could have just used screws again, but I wanted to try something new. Here goes the last piece. That's all of my clamps that will fit on here. I normally like to use screw type clamps, but my largest one is 66 millimeters, and this mallet head is 70 millimeters. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button down below, that would really help me out. If you've got any questions about what I used and how I did this project, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. I'm pretty happy with the way this mallet turned out, and I'm looking forward to using it. See you next time, everybody. Let's try the mallet out. Works good. It's got a good feel to it, good balance. There's a little bit of a ridge here, so you get a good stopper for your fingers, gets a good grip. If you need a little more power, go down here at the bottom. And again, I Left it a little larger at the bottom so you get a nice good grip down there too. Got a nice response to it with the slightly angled end there. Feels good. I'm glad I made this project.